I know they let sometimes the way you be talking. Manage that money.
To the day I will
You know what I'm about. When they try to fight me like every day.
No let I will
But the money is not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough again. But I dey try. You understand sometimes I dey try. I dey try. But you're not trying enough. Look at me. Since I got married to you, all my skin, I cannot even buy my skin products anymore. Like I cannot take care of my skin again. Look at me and my baby now. It's not funny anymore. I'm getting tired of this orphanage. I'm getting tired. Okay, look at my friend is doing birthday. You're sending me only 10,000 naira. What is that for? Tell me I'm not tired. Do you actually know the party that I'm going for? Do you actually know the people that are coming for the party? You're giving me 10,000 naira for what? You're not trying. You're trying is not enough. Try more. Try more. Try more. The trying is not enough. But this is actually this is actually the same love you are telling me since you got married to me. Over 5 years now of marriage.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm suffering. This is not me. I know they like her. I'm tired of managing. I have to be honest with you. I'm tired of managing. Look at me. Look at the way I'm looking. Look at the way I'm looking to my friend party. When I got there, I look like a poor man wife. Is that fair? Is it the way I look when you marry me?
Continue.
Don't tell me that. You guys should go and hustle. Go and make the money. Look at my skin. Look at my skin. Let them be looking up because I'm tired of this suffering. I'm tired of it.
Too much.
I'm going for a party and I'm looking like a house help. Is that fair? You are giving me 10,000 naira for my friend party. I'm not managing it. Go and hustle. It's men that follow men like you are hustling and making money. Go and hustle. Look at these big men. Them. They are opening hotels everywhere, making money. I don't even know what you are doing with this your brain. I don't know the brain that God gave you. You are not using it well to make money. Babe, buddy, come now. I'm coming. I do this thing if I come back now. I know say na my work be that. What be Papa Africa be this? What this man dey do for you? Where this man dey go? Na beer parlour in there every day go.
May God not allow them to kill you.
Na beer parlour. Hey! Man. They know the great fear God.
Will you keep quiet?
And then wife, now good woman, no. If this one no dey take I need to go tell that his wife must know. With 5 women, get it or even if I don't stand with someone, go and go to Jana, my wife. Not even go to a stupid for that self. Even the 10,000 when you give us, you don't even reach us to do the doing. I got so dogu. I don't tell my friend say, my husband now so dogu, now dogu is it. But look at how son the mama me here. Mama, how far now? What's in your house now?
Oh my girl, I just said, you know.
So your way body they sweet you like.
Oh, Africa.
Now we be single baby. Now they see money for this country.
Me married like this, not my agenda. After all, I just be palm my.
They go one of my friend party. Oh.
Hey, now you can't dress like this. I know that's it dress. What's happen, Mama Puka?
Babe, now I'm managing. You say since I met them, my life has changed. From bad to worse. Babe, look at me now. You know me when I married that man new now.
I just be confused.
That man don't kill me. Don't kill everything in me. But I'm trying to manage him. No be say I know they see all these big rich men. No. Now managing, I'm trying to manage him because you know say I love him. I love him.
Thunder, fire, love. Yeah, they do love for this generation. Hey, babe, me and the woman they tell you, Mama.
Look at how I'm sweating under the sun.
I dey tell my friends say my husband no jogu. I dey go party now. No be saying a fake life now. But I'm trying to cover him up. You don't even know how much that man give me. Na 10,000 naira.
Jesus!
May
And you tell us say they go
For the party, oh, when they do doing so.
But you never reach me buy slipper. Only this my slippers. You know how much I buy them? You know how much? 8K. 8K for slippers. It won't be 10,000 I say one go party.
When they see money now. You don't see how some the money on my daughter.
I could not pity this girl because this girl is
Useless man, I dey manage am. Not because of this my daughter, oh, now make me the manage. If not, I for don't work since. See me now. You don't say a package.
You said.
Upon all the suffering, I still dey manageable.
I'm going to lift up for that one.
Now I just dey go, I dey manage.
But see me at home, say me no be like say me I feel like I'm a but you understand. As you know say normal me I like to be this one say na you. Because I don't go tell you at all. But ma just tell you sir. I see your husband.
For where?
For beer parlor. With 5 girls.
Will you keep quiet?
I just think no be papa Fuka be this.
Jesus
And that
is
stupid man say he say he won't go hustle. So he get money to carry 5 girls go. I bet where be the name of the
hotel?
That fucking place. You know the people where they go there.
Now they do yourself. Not be only one woman.
I don't die.
Really? All these shit girls so say
Then you go take me there. Go show that man pepper. So because I had the pity and I make him. Oh my God! I be suffering in this.
Me I go just escort this girl. Me I go just stay one place. Me I know people will go there. I don't know why.
What I go do this man today? Now only God knows.
Yeah, sorry. Shall go there now? Freedom Hotel.
That costly place. You know the people where they go there?
I know.
Babe, come show me the place. I want to
follow you. Go.
Not be juju be
just point the place for me. Show you.
But me I no go follow you.
Come. Oh, yeah, you don't put the customer they wait for there. You don't put now. You don't put down. Okay, thank you.
Awilo, yeah. Do the thing, Awilo, yeah. Awilo, do the hey. Awilo, hey. Do the hey.
What's wrong with this man? What kind of thing is this?
You only you
Are you crazy? You dey yawere? Oh my God! Wait, manager! What? The manager? I don't want to see this level now. If you want us to be patronized with people, you give us the best service. And look at the way you're carrying us drink. You messed me up. It's bullshit, man.
There is
I don't want
God.
to call me the manager. Oh my God.
Sorry.
You dey crazy, you dey yawere.
Sorry.
You are a mumu man.
You from? Excuse me.
This man.
With this company. This,
Yes, sir.
you working here?
Yes, sir.
You are not serious. You are mad. You dey yawere. Olóṣìlì na. What is going on? Wait. So now you my husband dey carry abi? Where is that stupid man? So now here you dey. Now this woman dey carry abi? Madam, wait, hold on. Hey, hold on. Keep short. Look at this useless man. We serving me drink. We come here. We spend our more fucking money. Serving you drink. We buy. How? He serving me drink. Look at my body. Look at he mess up.
It's my worker.
Shit.
He works here.
He is your worker. Yes. Work okay, thank you all. You are the one who employed this man. Yes. Look at the idiot. Look at how he mess up. He messed us up. What? If you want us to be coming here, spending our pocket money, you give us the best worker.
I'm sorry.
Okay?
because I'm the
Sorry,
manager.
sir.
You are the
How many
manager.
times
Look
will
at
they
how you.
tell you
I will
before
sack
you
you.
know
Please,
that
are you
Nigeria is
crazy?
fucked up?
Which kind of stuff you want me to go and do?
You are
My
sacked.
God, now. I'll show you who I am. You know who I am. Okay.
I'm
Okay,
trying to get
madam, wait,
to
wait.
you.
Madam,
Amulo
wait.
too
Stay there.
much.
You see what I want to do is that this man deserves a sack letter.
Yes.
With immediate
I will-
effect. You crazy?
Don't say
Sorry, ma. I want to get something. So you mean he's working here?
yes, he's my work.
He's fucking here. He's a
One of
business
my
worker. Look
Yeah,
at how he
we
makes
left
us
you.
up. Let me
I'm
slap him.
sorry.
He bullshit. I don't like it. You want us to be coming here.
It's
But,
that. And don't you
oh my
ever,
God.
don't you ever, in short, drop it. Drop it. Don't you ever in your life come
Photo.
You didn't tell me you are
It's
working
better.
here. Why did
Will
you tell
you
me?
keep quiet?
Don't ever come here. It's
Oh my
better you
God.
sack him.
Oh my
sacked
God.
Because
already.
he's useless.
He's sacked
He's
already.
an idiot.
He's sacked
I
already.
to go do
He's
commercial,
already
but
sacked.
there's nobody you.
He's
Look at
sacked.
it.
I'm sorry.
You
sir.
can you imagine
I'm
using
sorry.
a pet?
I'm still apologizing.
Pet.
I'm sorry.
You
I'm
see
sorry.
me pet?
Sorry.
Who? You see me
Don't be
pet?
angry. I'm sorry.
Huh? You want to be?
I'm
I will not. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
apologizing.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. I know what I will do.
Please, sir.
You is
Please,
going to be sacked.
Please, sir.
Yes.
Please,
I'm sorry.
please, don't start
No,
me. Please,
you are
don't start
sacked.
me.
I don't want to see you here again.
This my daughter. Please,
I
don't
don't
start
want to.
me. Please, see my
I
daughter.
will
Please,
come to the
please.
tree. I
Please,
don't
madam,
want to
don't
see.
start me.
I don't want to
There
see.
I
is
don't know where to go.
God.
Please, don't start me,
You
please.
are sacked.
Don't worry.
Please,
You are
please.
sacked.
Don't worry.
See, but this is my daughter. Please, don't start me.
I said
Please.
you are sacked.
Oh, please,
Because
madam. I beg. I
I
beg.
find the place someone that is useless.
Only you
Someone that
want.
cannot be useful to my
Please,
place.
please,
In
ma,
short,
don't sack me.
you are sacked.
Please, please, please.
No.
I'll see my daughter.
No,
Because
you
of my family, don't sack me.
you are
Please,
sacked.
don't sack
So
me.
then,
Madam, please. I know you be a mother to me. You be a mother to
I'm
me.
not a
Oh,
mother to
please.
anybody.
See,
I
beg,
said you are
beg
sacked.
her, beg her for me.
I said
Please.
you are sacked.
I don't really know that this is what you are doing. Oh, my daughter, please. Please, don't sack me, madam, please.
No.
Please, ma. Please, ma. Ma, I beg. Don't sack me, I beg. Don't sack me. See my mother, don't sack me because of my children.